Hello everyone, this is Korean Hub, the one who makes Korean easy and interesting.
안녕하세요 여러분, 이 한국 허브입니다.
Before moving on to Baatchim, I hope that you are familiar with Korean vowels and consonants, and if you are not, then please click on the link provided in the description box to know about consonants and vowels briefly, in order to understand this topic in a better way. So now let's move on to a very new topic, that is
받침.
It basically means support, as it supports the Korean letters from beneath. You won't see Baatchim everywhere, but they do play an important role in Korean grammar. Let's understand by an example. As you can see here, Gyeok consonant is acting as a Baatchim here, but while pronouncing it, this Gyeok consonant is shifted to the next syllable and pronounced as
먹어.
In this topic we will also learn Eung consonant and its pronunciation more briefly, and also I will provide some examples after every consonant, to make you understand in a more better way. The first consonant that can be Baatchim is Gyeok.
쑥, 미, 악.
The second consonant that can be Baatchim is Niu.
난, 순, 민.
The third consonant that can be Baatchim is Digud.
닷, 숫, 미.
The fourth consonant that can be Baatchim is Leo.
팔, 술, 미.
The fifth consonant that can be Baatchim is Mium.
맘, 딤, 숨,
The sixth consonant that can be Baatchim is Biu.
밥, 쑥, 미.
The seventh consonant that can be Baatchim is Siyuth.
닷, 놋, 깃,
The next consonant that can be Baatchim is Chiu. Gaj, Noj, Geech, Oj. The next consonant that can be Baatchim is Kiyuk.
닭, 녹, 미.
The next consonant that can be Baatchim is Chiyuch. Gaj, Noj, Geech, Och. The next consonant that can be Baatchim is PU.
섭, 미, 아, 누.
The next consonant that can be Baatchim is Hiu.
낫, 엇, 흑, 밋.
So our last consonant that can be Baatchim is Ing consonant. This consonant has no sound separately, but has its own Ing sound when it plays a role of Baatchim.
망, 깅, 성, 응.
As you can see in the last example, Ing consonant doesn't produce any sound at first, but it has its own sound when placed as Baatchim.
행복하다. 조용하다. 시끄럽다. 아름답다. 통통하다. 못생기다. 잘생기다. 시원하다. 어렵다. 수 있다.
Thank you so much guys for still learning with us. We hope to see you in our next topic soon. Take care.